Welcome back, and you're very welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to set up my journals for November. I'm setting up a lot earlier than I normally do, but this arrived yesterday. I just cannot contain myself. I have to open it and set it up now. So let's open it. So this is November's ultimate subscription, and like I said, it's Staying Cosy, and the little animal for the month is a guinea pig. How adorable is this? It's funny because every year since I started getting the subscription, November has always been my favourite month, and it looks like this year is going to continue that pattern. The first year I subscribed, 2023, it was vintage stationery, and then last year it was cozy bookworm, and then now this. Anyway, sure, let's get it opened up. So inside it has a bunch of scarves and knitting. It says it's happy planning time. Right, let's start with a pin as usual. How cute is this little pin? My niece is getting this, I already know, because she loves guinea pigs and she's going to be obsessed with this. But it's knitting with its little hat, and it has silver metallics, and then on the back there's the usual 2 pins. I haven't got my washi book down yet, I'll get it in a second, so we'll do that last. Okay, so we have 5 die cut vinyls. Look at him! Oh, that's adorable. And then this one has wrapped itself up in the knitting. Oh, that's so cute. And then this one is reading a little book, but you could pretend that's a planner and put it in the front of your planner as well. Very cute. And then this one is sitting in a little bed wrapped in a scarf, and then this one has threaded the wool through the nails. So that is the die cuts. Then we have the Hobonichi Cousin Kit, the 2 monthly sheets, 1 and 2, and then the weekly. And then finally the add-on. I used to be in a choir that the colours were orange and purple. It's an unusual combination, but it's really nice together. We had to wear like orange t-shirts or purple t-shirts, and I was given an orange t-shirt and I wanted purple. It was very trying. Anyway, this is the standard kit, and it has 6 sheets. There's a guy walking about outside with a leaf blower, so I'm sorry if you can hear that. Oh, there's a guy on a grass cutter car thing as well. I was going to say that's really loud for just a leaf blower. There's a dude cutting grass as well. Anyway, and then I have a sticker subscription, which is 7 assorted sticker sheets. This little card, like a protective card, comes with it. And the reason that I'm cutting this off is because I only get 1 card, 1 journaling card in here. Oh, for goodness sake, mister, go away. Oh, it doesn't look like he's going away anytime soon, and I want to be able to show you this and get set up. So I think I'm going to have to just show you everything and not talk. But the last thing I'll say is I cut the end off that because I'm going to use this in my actual journal instead, because I think I want to use the journaling card that comes in here as an art piece, and I only get 1. So let me show you everything.
Life too short to go through it alone. When I met you, you left an open door. I keep checking in to see if you're still home. Wanna be your light, wanna be your home. Ooh, are you home? Ooh, are you there? No one ever see me the way you do, 'cause I never met anyone like you. Look up the stars. 'cause I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. In the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Space in a single sail, white rocky island, you and I on the trail, just us and